Okay guys, quick video here on how to link out a cold water service tank. Just a quick going over if anybody needs any hints and tips and tricks. Basically that was your old cold feed into the tank. It's got a ball valve in there. As you can see, ball valve is there. What we've done, cap that off completely. That was the old cold main feed to the tank. There's the old stop tap. Obviously we've turned that off. Elbow down. Pressure reducing valve runs along underneath the tank. This is the other side that I just showed you. Elbows back up, another lever valve in case the stop tap fails. Increases in size to 35mm there. And that's the old tank feed running along, serving all the toilets in this school. Just doing the cisterns. It was just constantly filling the tank. It just couldn't handle it really, peak times when all the kids are in the school flushing. So we came in, converted it to mains, and yeah, no more issues. We've capped off the old outlet there, the compression end cap, just in case, but it's better safe than sorry. Looks good, looks tidy. All this has got to be cleaned up yet. I'm just lagging another pipe there. But yeah, we're not going to remove the tank, it's just going to stay in situ. Yeah, that's it really guys.